Hey there viewers, and welcome back to Grumpy Monkey Garage, where my infinite hoarding has come across again. Today we have, what did you name this one, Miss Grumpy Monkey?
Barnacle Bob.
We have Barnacle Bob. This is where you back up and let them see why you named it that. Behold thy barnacles. So obviously I've bought another one I don't need, but today what we have is a 1996 Jeep Cherokee Classic. It's not a sport. I actually can read it now that it's got most of the barnacles off of Barnacle Bob here. It's really returning to nature, and it's bad. Now the story with this vehicle is it was owned by a gentleman who drove it back in high school. Now he's older and got newer cars that are nicer, and he hasn't driven this thing in a while. Something caused him to stop driving it around 2013, according to the story. The license plate backs that up. I think it's been sitting since about then, so over a decade of sitting around. I'm excited to get this thing running again. The plan is to get this up, running, restored, and working for him so that it can be his son's first car. So that's the plan of attack. We got a lot of work to do though. This thing needs the one of everything package. One, because it's been sitting so long, and two, because, well, it's trying to return to the ocean, okay? Like we got a lot of work to do. So step one, we're gonna get it off this trailer. We're gonna clean all the barnacles off and get all the off of it. And then we're gonna make a list of all things we need to do. I've got a fresh battery, and we're gonna see what happens when we turn the key. Let's get started. Come on, Rachel, let's push this thing off the trailer. Okay, so now the plan is we're gonna take the scrubby brush, some glass cleaner, a couple of different soaps, and we're gonna try to de-barnacle Barnacle Bob here. And that requires not getting our camera equipment soaked. So we're gonna just do a cool, what is this, a time lapse?
Yeah, time lapse montage.
Montage, it's gonna be a montage. A Jeep-tage, it's a Jeep-tage. Watch this. Voila! Or whatever. It's purple again and not barnacle colored, but he's still Barnacle Bob.
Yep.
We left some stuff on there, but that was just to get the majority of the sea creatures off of it. So we're gonna try to start it. I've been charging a battery since last night, a junkyard one, and we're gonna stick it in there, and we'll have you turn the key while I give her the down the intake, and hopefully it to life. But that would be extremely lucky, and not gonna hold my breath, but we'll see what happens. So, all right, well, here's the key. Go pop the hood, I'm gonna grab a battery. So how long do you think a vehicle has to sit where you just barely on the battery terminal and it just immediate no, like there was no popping sounds, there were just broke right off. So we're gonna need a new terminal. We're gonna go ahead and fix that today, so we'll replace it. So obviously I got one that's the wrong way, and I kind of want to know if this thing's gonna run. So we're just gonna do the right thing and hook it up anyway, even though none of this crap fits. So I'm gonna get a wrench and just shove it in there. got it. Things are happening. All right, try that. A little bit of gas. All right, let go of the gas. All right, don't pull it all the way back. Add a little bit more. All right, go ahead. All right, stop. All right, try it. Okay, stop. There's absolutely nothing coming from the fuel. So since there's nothing coming from the fuel pump and I heard it make an effort, I think we're gonna call this fuel pump. So that's gonna be the end of that. I also see it looks like there's battery acid or something pouring out of my battery. So that's good. We'll get a correct battery and a fuel pump, an oil change, and I think this thing will run. So I think that's our diagnostic for today. We got it to run. Go ahead and turn the key off so we don't have to hear in the background. Go ahead and pull it out so it doesn't door dinger or door buzz, whatever that one would be. Thank you, dear. All right, well, we know a lot of things. We know the engine turns over. We know the ignition to the engine is okay. And the fact that it was able to pop tells us we got some kind of spark happening. So I think we're gonna need a fuel pump, a correct battery, and some fluid changes. We might have a running Jeep. I'm optimistic. I think this thing turned out really well. I think that's where we'll end this episode as an introduction. And then the next episode will be us putting a fuel pump and a battery in it and seeing if we can get it to run. And we'll go through and change all the fluids, bleed the brakes, and probably put some new tires on it, and I think that'll be it. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing old Barnacle Bob here. And we'll see you next time on Grumpy Monkey. Catch you next time.